non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano.
Hey guys, welcome back to Dick in the Kitchen, and we are going to make a fantastic meal today of chicken eggplant parm. You won't believe how good it is. It's going to be served with a little pasta olio on the side, and it is awesome. So stick with us and you'll learn a few things that you didn't know about making chicken parm.
Okay, let's get going. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the eggplant and we're going to take the ends off the eggplant, and we're going to take a small slice off of each side. Then we're going to slice the eggplant long ways into 4 even pieces. The next step is we're going to salt the eggplant to draw the moisture out of it so it's nice and dry and firm. We sprinkle salt on one side, put it in a colander, and then sprinkle the salt on the other side. Put the colander in the sink and let it drain for approximately 20 minutes. While the eggplant's draining in the sink, we're going to start making our sauce. We're going to chop 1 onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and a small carrot, which we're going to grate. And we're going to make a basic sauce with diced tomatoes and a little bit of Italian seasoning added to a pre-made marinara sauce. After chopping the onion, the garlic, and grating the carrot, we're going to saute it lightly until it becomes softened in a little bit of olive oil. And then we're going to add that to our marinara sauce and then add 1 can of diced tomatoes. And take that and let it simmer on the stove for about 20 minutes while the eggplant is draining. Now we're going to take a sheet pan covered with aluminum foil and lightly spray it with a non-stick spray. We're going to take our salted eggplants and we're going to take them and lightly wipe them with a paper towel to gently remove any excess salt. You then lay them out on the sheet pan and then bake them in an oven preheated to 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Now we're going to begin preparing our chicken for the chicken eggplant parmesan. Today we're using 4 skinned and boned chicken thighs, which we're going to gently flatten between 2 pieces of clear plastic wrap. We're going to do 2 of these thighs at a time. Now that we're done flattening the thighs, we're going to take 2 eggs and beat them gently. Then we're going to take about 1 cup of Panko breadcrumbs and we're going to put each in a separate bowl. And we're going to dip the flattened chicken thighs into the egg wash and then coat them thoroughly with our breadcrumbs. Now, while we're coating the chicken with the egg wash and the breadcrumbs, we're going to take about a ½ inch of oil in the bottom of the large skillet, which we're preheating to about 325 degrees, and then we're going to proceed to gently cook the chicken thighs until they're golden brown. While our chicken breasts are browning, I just want to remind you guys to tell your friends about this channel. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and like this video would be really appreciated. Okay, here we go. We're heading for the finish line now. Let's take the eggplant out of the oven and put a little bit of tomato sauce under each slice of eggplant. Now, cover the top of each slice of eggplant with a little more tomato sauce until it's evenly covered. Then we come to a secret ingredient, the prosciutto. Take a thin slice of prosciutto and put that over each piece of eggplant. Now we take, again, a little bit of grated Italian cheese and put that on top of the prosciutto. And now we're going to cover it with the chicken that we've sauteed until it's beautifully browned. We're heading for the finish line now. Let's take our tomato sauce and put that over the top of our chicken until it's covered completely. And then once again, we're going to put some shredded Italian cheese. Now, wait for this. Here it comes, the secret ingredient. We're going to take 2 small slices of fresh mozzarella and put that on top of each of our tomato, chicken, eggplant sandwiches. And now you have a completely, absolutely fantastic eggplant chicken parm that's ready to go back in the oven and make the most delicious meal you've ever had. All right, now it's time to make the side dish, the pasta olio. Let's chop up 3 scallions real finely, just the whites, and 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. While we're preparing the olio, we need to cook our pasta first. We're going to cook a linguine for approximately 10 minutes. And while we're doing that, we'll make the sauce. Put your scallions and your garlic and a couple of twists of pepper and a little touch of salt in your soft frying pan and saute it gently until it's starting to soften. Then we drain our pasta. Take our Parmesan out of the oven and dress it with a little olive oil. throw the finished pasta in the pan, stir it around, add a little bit of pasta water, a little bit of hot pepper, stir it a bit more, throw in your parsley, and it's done. Now add just a hair of a little extra olive oil, and it's ready to serve. Now all you have to do is put your Parmesan on your platter, sprinkle a little chopped basil, and you're ready for the best dinner you've ever had.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor.